Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. We're going to do another complete loadout video. So today we are carrying the HX Outdoors Rock Flourite. We are carrying Wurkkos Flashlight. We are carrying the Atomic Bear Rebel Pen. We are carrying a Bibury multi-tool. We're carrying my little trusted Swiss Army knife, SD Classic. We are carrying the Gear Infusion ratchet. We are carrying on our wrist my Seiko 5. And for a wallet, we have the Chums. So there you go. That's my complete carry for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of stuff, please consider giving the video a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. And until we meet again, as I always say, keep your blade sharp.